Do you suffer chronic pain? Now, it can be debilitating. It affects every aspect of life, from work productivity to mental health to relationships. Well, you do not have to live with it. There is help here available to you, and that's where this guy comes in. Joining us from the Neuroscience Research Center is Dr. Mayank Gupta. Good morning and welcome, doctor.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
We appreciate you coming in because, as we mentioned, there is help out there for those suffering. As a pain management physician, what in the field really gets you excited about this help that's out there?
Yeah, I think what I'm more excited about is the advancement in the field of pain management in terms of medications which we can offer to the patients now, especially the new receptors and few breakthroughs which has come out to help the patients suffering from chronic pain, and also the new minimally invasive procedure. So back in the days when the patients had need a back surgery, they were getting open decompression surgeries, and sometimes the recovery time was 2 to 3 months. Now we are advancing towards minimally invasive procedures where the patient's recovery time has been reduced to less than 2 to 3 days on many cases.
Really? It's that fast nowadays.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the privilege of living nowadays in 2023. What you thought if you had these pain years ago and thought, oh, it's this long process, that's not true anymore.
That is correct.
What about the clinical research? What about that has you interested more about it?
So when I decided to become a physician back in the days and decided to go to the medical school, I always thought that whatever the field I end up, my job would be to help patients and also to develop or grow the field. And research was something which has always, I was infatuated by it. And I also felt as a job of the physician, or at least my job profile, to make sure I take care of my patient, and also as I keep my pen down, whenever I retire, I have left a mark and contributed to the field.
And this is the kind of doctor you would want, a physician that you would want, because it's that extra care that you really do to kind of help those that are really in need. And when it comes to those studies, what kind of are the patients really enrolling for right now?
So we have multiple clinical studies going on, but one of them is the patients who have suffered from cancer in the past, and they have chemotherapy-induced neuropathic pain, meaning by they have tingling, burning, or like a pain in the foot or in the arms from the side effects from the medication which they have taken it. They're developing a new medication which can potentially help the patients. So that's one of the clinical study which we are doing.
If someone at home wants to get connected right now, how do they do so?
So they can go on our website. For clinical trial is neuroscienceclinicaltrials.com.
Well, doctor, I appreciate your time this morning, sharing the details of all what's going on, because we want to get you at home help out there today, especially if you're suffering from pain. So doctor, we appreciate your time today.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
For more information on the Neuroscience Research Center and the clinical trials, all you have to do is just head to the website listed on your screen. We have all those details for you to get you to the help that you need.
We have the trucks here at Cable Dahmer.
Save up to $11,000 off a